Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to build a waving hand emoji animation like this. We will use a waving hand emoji and then animate it using CSS Keyframes. Actually I got this video idea from the Zeke's vlog. Feel free to check it out. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, create a new folder and name it Emoji Animation like this. And then open this folder with your code editor. Now we have opened our folder with our code editor. Now create two files. First one is index.html file. Second one is style.css file. Now open your index.html file and create a boilerplate by pressing Shift+1 and change the title to Emoji Animation like this. Now link your CSS file using link tag like this. Now inside this body tag, create a span with a class of emoji like this. Now put the waving hand icon right over here. Select this one. Now save your HTML file and then open it with live server extension. Now as you can see, we have a single emoji icon. First we will center this icon right over here and then we will animate it using CSS Keyframes. Now open your style.css file. First we will remove all the padding and margin like this, padding, and set it equal to 0, and then use margin property and make it equal to 0. After that use box sizing property and make it equal to border box like this. Now as you can see, we have removed all the default padding and margin from this HTML page. Now select the body tag so we can center this emoji icon using flexbox. First use display property and set it equal to flex, and then use justify content center to center it horizontally, and then use align atom center to center it vertically. Now select height property and set it equal to 100 viewport height so it can take whole viewport height. Now as you can see, we have centered our emoji icon right over here. Now select this emoji icon in our CSS file using emoji class. First, we will increase its font size to 100 pixel. Now we will create a waving hand animation using CSS keyframe. First use @keyframes like this and then name your animation. I am going to name it waving hand. Now to animate this emoji, we need to use transform property to rotate it. So at 0%, set transform property and make it equal to rotate, and rotate it by 0 degree like this. Now we need to copy it 6 more times. So to copy it, first select this and press Shift Option down arrow key, and in Windows press Shift Control down arrow key to copy it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change it to 10% and change its degree to 14 degree, and then at 20 degree set rotation to -8, and then at 30% set a rotation to 14, and then at 40% set a rotation to -4 degree like this, and then at 50% set it equal to 10, and at 60% we need to make it equal to 0. We need one more copy of this and set it equal to 100 and set rotation to 0 degree like this. Now go to your emoji class right over here and give it a animation property like this. First give it an animation name that is waving hand in our case, and set animation duration to 2.5 seconds and set animation iteration count to infinite, and then set transform origin property and set it equal to 70% and 70% like this. Now save your file. Now as you can see, we have successfully added a waving hand animation using CSS Keyframes. One more thing I want to show in this tutorial is inline waving animation. So to add that, open your index.html file and inside this span create a h1 tag, and inside this h1 tag create a span with a class of emoji like this, and place your emoji icon right over here like this, and set inside this h1 tag hello there like this, and add a space right over here. Now save your file. Now as you can see, we have added a hello there. Now open your style.css file. First, inside this body, change flex direction to column because by default it is row. Now decrease the font size of this emoji icon. So to do that, first select h1 tag, and inside this h1 tag select the emoji class and then change the font size to 32 pixels like this. And after that, inside this emoji class, add a display property and set it equal to inline block. Now as you can see, we have added a waving hand animation to this inline emoji as well. So that's all for this tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching my video.